Hi, I'm Hema, a motivational speaker and trainer. I help people to build themselves by building their self-esteem and their confidence. Today I'm going to talk on a very important topic. This video is going to help you to build your confidence in a simple step-by-step process. 1. Understand your core beliefs. How do I do this about myself? Basically, what you think about yourself is what you actually project, whether it is positive or negative. Let's take simple examples. Looks, your skills, your experience, your assumptions, what you think about yourself will be either positive or negative. So if it's negative, here are a few tips for you. Become aware of your negative thoughts. Ask yourself where they are coming from or which experience it is coming from. When these things you start noticing, start challenging your beliefs. This could be your inner voice trying to say negative about you. Challenge those thoughts into a positive way. For example, when you feel a negative thought is coming and you say, I cannot do this, you challenge it by saying, I can do it or I want to do it. The second step is self-acceptance. Remember, all can't be perfect and you can't make everybody happy. It's okay to be the way you are. It's okay to make mistakes. Stop being harsh on yourself. The key is to practice self-compassion as you would do it for others. 3. Be aware of the moment. When you feel that you're getting aware that something negative is coming, take a pause. Take a deep breath and relax. The third one is self-esteem. How do you value yourself? If you don't, or if you're not able to value yourself, then why do you expect others to do it for you? You criticize yourself for making a mistake, but you empathize your friends and family when they do the same. If you empathize with your friends, try and empathize with yourself for a change. Try it. It'll give you a fresh perspective to learn and start afresh from the beginning, from your negative to positive. I hope these tips will help you to build your confidence. Thank you.